All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel, Hillcreek Outdoors. Hey, this is going to be part number three of the pole barn build here. They're back at it today. Should have posted the other video up last week. Part two on some things they did, got the framing in, got the structure all put up. They're working on the roof right now, so we're going to get into that. We're going to put 2 more days together, and hopefully we get you some good content on that and what they get accomplished. But hey, appreciate y'all coming back once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We couldn't do this without you. I hope you all are enjoying the content we're putting up. Also, we went and purchased all of our materials for the electrical inside the pole barn. I'm going to run the rough electrical for the ceiling on the trusses, as well as under the lean-to for the lights, because we're going to put a ceiling in it, and we want to make sure that's all done before they put the ceiling in. That way everything is trimmed and put in real nice to where it's flush and all that stuff for the ceiling. But so we got that taken care of. We do have to run back over and get a couple more little things, so we're going to do that today. But hey, let's get right into this video. Hope you all enjoy. Roof time. Putting the vapor barrier down, which is the well, you guys kind of know what it is. It's like a bubble wrap type thing, insulation. We're going to blow in insulation inside once we get the ceiling put in. But they're throwing the roof on today. Hopefully this thing will be under roof today. Well, there's no reason why it shouldn't be. So we will start this off with a bang. Give you a quick look of what we got so far. They're just capping the top. Looking good. Now it's gonna have a white ceiling at that 16 foot. So I'm gonna do a rough in electric, and then they'll put the ceiling on, and I'll throw those lights on later. Let me get through here on the back, and we will show you what the top looks like with the cupolas. Here, get this side first. Now we put some weather vanes on top of the cupolas, and we obviously want a deer because that is what we do. We do a lot of deer hunting, right? And it looks like we got them perfect. We got the north where it's supposed to be on both. There you go. What do you think of that cupola? I don't know if you guys like those. I sure do. I think it just gives a good aesthetic look. Starting on the lean-to. They got the doors framed in here. The doors actually for the big bay door here, both of them, they are still about 3 weeks to 4 weeks out from being able to be installed. The doors, ordered them probably about 3-4 months ago, and they're still not able to schedule a time to come out. So it's pretty disheartening. But here we're getting the porch. They're starting to put the, they got the porch started here, and they're starting to put the trusses on. So we'll walk around here to the edge, kind of show you that. We'll walk around the side here, but we do have the electrical in, so you'll have to check out that video on the electrical I installed here. We're going to be putting more in, obviously, through the walls, and we'll put some underneath the porch. We'll add that in. But our porch here is 10 foot wide by 10 foot high. Sorry, 9 foot high. As you can see, the truss is starting to go in for the porch. And it's going to L shape around here. It's one way to use a skid steer. Use the bucket as a ladder. Heck yeah. And then it goes down that way. Getting it under roof. Trusses are up. I'm going to go through here and show you guys. We're going to be running our electrical here for recessed lighting under here, probably tomorrow. As you can see, 9 foot ceilings, and it's 10 foot wide. And we'll be putting 8 recessed lights on this side here, and then on the back we're going to do 4. Or you could say, because one's going to be right here in the middle, you would say 5 down the short end and then 7 down the long end. Or you could say, with this one here, 8 down this long end and 4 down this way. You guys kind of get the sense. I'll show you when we're putting them up. But let's take a look at this here. Let's walk down this way and kind of see what it looks like with a roof on here. Just try not to get in the sun. Well, we're not going to be able to do that. We'll go around here. It's coming together pretty well. We'll go around this way so we don't have the sun. I think they're going to start wrapping the barn with house wrap. Since we are up on a hill, we're going to house wrap the barn. That way we can cut down on a little bit of the wind. Looks pretty good there. Let's take a walk around. But yeah, for the extra cost to do house wrap, I would highly suggest it. It'll definitely keep down on that wind barrier. Especially if you're going to insulate your pole barns. That way, you know, just that little extra protection. It doesn't cost that much more. I think it cost us about $150 for the house wrap. We needed 3 rolls of it, and they're 9 foot sections. So it's coming together, guys. What we got done today, got the house wrap on top, except for that little bit up there. Tried to close this off because it is supposed to rain tomorrow, and they're going to be putting in the ceiling. Therefore, we got all our electrical done. I'm finishing off up here right now, putting in a couple of bracing where we can hang 2 deer or whatever else you want to hang. We'll put 2 big eyelets in there, bolt eyelets, and it should be able to hold any type of weight. So we're finishing that right now. That's what we're working on. But kind of show you the lean-to real quick. Turned out really well. We're still gonna have a ceiling come in here. Obviously, I already told you about the lights, so they did a heck of a job today working. Coming right along. Tomorrow will be another day. We'll get you some coverage of that.